you guys. Let's start that over. Hi you guys, it's your girl CurlyyKaee here, back with another video, and in today's video, it's gonna be a Halloween tutorial. I know I'm looking all types of crazy, but y'all already know what time it is. It's October, so of course I had to. I'm at least try to do something for Halloween, so I'm trying to give you guys something. No, my wig is looking a little jacked up. Please forgive me. I don't know what I'm doing, so that's why it's looking a little jacked up. But it was only for this video. So, yeah, I'm about to attempt to do the Joker. So, pray for me. But we're about to get started. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that post notification bell so you get notified whenever I post. And let's get into it. Okay, you guys. So right now, I'm just gonna start off by using this LA Colors liquid makeup, and I got it in the shade tan only because I want my face to look really, really pale. So. It's like very, very sheer. When I'm looking at it, looking at myself, this mirror is very, very sheer. Maybe up here it doesn't look like it on camera, but when I look at it down here, it's like super, super sheer. And I'm like, what the hell? So y'all, I went everywhere trying to find a green freaking wig. This isn't even the green that the Joker has, so I was like, forget it, because I just wanted to attempt the makeup look because I've been seeing it. So I'm like, let me try that out, you know. Everywhere trying to find this freaking wig. I wasn't going to pay a whole bunch of money on it because I'm like, this is for one day. I ain't trying to do all that. So, like I said, I went all around the world just for this freaking ugly ass wig. And thank God I only paid $20 for it. I wish I paid less than that. Should just got the first wig I seen. Got this at Walmart and it was like, I think $5. But it's like by the Halloween section, so you can't miss it. And I'm about to use this green color for my eyebrows. So here we go. Okay, right here, you guys, I'm just doing a little bit of concealer, and cleaning it up, trying to make it look a little bit cleaner. Excuse my voice, you guys. I don't know what I'm going through. I guess seasons are changing. The season is like changing, and my voice just got like hoarse out of nowhere. So, yeah. ugly. It's ugly. This is the finished look. I mean, for a beginner, I think I did okay. I didn't have all the stuff, so forgive me. I couldn't find the right wig for nothing for this look. I'm probably looking like a mix between Mad Hatter / the Joker. So, yeah. This is fun. I honestly wish I had this throw sometime. But, this is the finished look. So, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I didn't have the right red lipstick, but I am thinking about doing this tutorial again since it was kind of an epic fail. But I tried, so I think I did pretty good. I had the haha stickers and all that, but I didn't put them on because I just felt like it was a fail. That's why I didn't add the stickers to this look. I could have, but yeah, I felt like it was a fail, so I didn't. If you guys enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel, hit the post notification bell so you get notified whenever I post. And we out. I feel like this is like sexy, very, very, very sexy Joker. That's what it's giving me. Like, I know I didn't nail it. It's like sexy. I've seen a lot of other girls on YouTube do it too, and they did. To me, it was a sexy Joker as well. This is giving me sexy Joker, even though I felt like I didn't nail Joker right on. With my hair's off, I don't have the right lipstick, but this is